Hey, welcome to Cooked by Cass. In this video, I'll show you how to make Korean ground beef, so stay tuned. Liquid aminos or soy sauce, sesame seed oil. I have some that was infused with sesame seeds, 2/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 slice of crushed ginger, and then 8 cloves crushed or minced of garlic. Now we just add this all to the cooked beef. Look at that. Okay, so you can enjoy this over rice like I've done, or maybe you tried in a taco. All right, thank you so much for watching. As always, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.